Remember, there are two components to risk management. You've got the current risk that comes from the analytical process. If you were doing no QC at all, how many bad results would the instrument be turning out? And we do all of this, all of the key staff training, method validation, daily QC, proficiency testing, inspection, accreditation to make sure that QC, that analytical process is working. We've never QC'd the QC process. Nobody's ever said, hey, will that QC really detect a clinically significant error? And that's exactly what we're going to do today, and that's exactly what risk management brings to the table. Both in IQCP and EP23 is at the least the ability of QC procedures to detect medically allowable error should be evaluated. From the patient's perspective, is my risk of receiving a medically unreliable result today acceptable? And will it be acceptable if the method fails tomorrow? Ray, can you please launch this poll? Using Sigma, Six Sigma, a Sigma metric as you know it, answer this question to the best of your ability.
28%, 31%, 19%, 14%, and 8%.
Very, very interesting. What I want you to take from this now is just that different people have different standards. Can you go, please, Ray, straight to the next poll?
Sure.
When you voted, were you referring to a short-term sigma, a long-term sigma, or do you not know the difference? Aha. And by and large, the most popular answer is, what's the difference? You're going to see later on what that difference is. And the one I should have put in here is, do you use Sigma? But everybody, I think, now is familiar enough with the concept that this is going to prove very interesting. So we're going to talk about those in context with the simulator.